14th, actually Saturday morning. We're inside Red Lobster in Matson, Illinois. We are in the main sewer, just outside of the cooler, headed west. This is upstream. It's indicative of what we found. We've spent the last 2 nights here cammering and cleaning the sewers. This sewer is very indicative of what we found in the entire system. Chris, you need to push the camera forward just a little bit. It's upside down and needs to roll over. You see the camera bounce? It's actually now hanging over the opening. If you look in the lower center to lower right-hand corner of the screen, the dark line you can see there is the bottom of the sewer that's non-existent. The white portion you see around the surrounding perimeter of the screen is actually the grease-laden sewer. Normally what happens now as we move our camera forward is the weight of the camera head will make this drop down into that trough and the screen will go black.
Stop. That's the P-trap. Okay, this piece of pipe here that we're looking at is in the 5-inch main going back towards the last line that we had camera that was all full of sand from the bottom of the pipe being missing. So the first branch to the right picks up the bar. There's a real good picture of it. Here the sewer actually runs below the pipe from all the holes. When we run water in the bar, okay, we're going to try this again.
The sewer makes the set. And from the vegetable sink, come around an elbow here shortly. None of the reinstatements have been done on this yet. Bar relined through an excavation in the kitchen on the front line, just to the left of the coffee pots. As we head upstream here, the bottom of this pipe was completely missing. It was vacuumed out and hydrojetted. We did line this all the way to the first fittings in the bar. This is the end of our liner, which is to the right of this is the first Y that goes in and picks up a portion of the bar. We'll back flush this line and clean it out before we make our connection.